Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can send multiple snaps at once, which means if you want to send snap to 5, 6 or 10 or 100 people all at once, then you need to first create a group. How you guys can create a group is open up your Snapchat, and once you open up your Snapchat, at the top you can see this little plus button. So you want to click on this plus button. Now from over here what you can do is click on new shortcut. Now from over here at the top click on choose emoji, and first choose the emoji for your group. So I'm going to name this group this emoji. Now over here on the bottom I'm going to choose who I want to put in this group. Now whoever I put in this group, they are going to receive the snap which I'm going to send. So I want to include these people on the group. So I will just choose them and click on create shortcut. Once you do that, as you guys can see at the top, this little emoji appears. If I click on this emoji, it's going to show me all the people on that group. Now since the group has been created, let me just click a random snap and click on send to. Once I click on send to, instead of clicking on the name individually like this, what I can do is I can see the emoji at the top. I can click on the emoji and over here click on select, and every single person on this group has been selected. Now I can just click on this arrow. Now all the people on this group just received snap. So I just sent snap to multiple people all at once. Alright. So as you guys can see, I have created so many groups. You can also create multiple groups, so you guys can click on the logo or click on the emoji to send to a certain people or a certain group of people. So that's how we guys can do it. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel 1 step for future Snapchat videos like this. I will see you guys next time.